Imagine the possibility of leaving your regular job and earning between $8,000 to $10,000 each month from any location worldwide as long as you have an internet connection. This is achievable through WordPress web development, a skill that doesn't require coding expertise or prior experience. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how you can easily create websites and potentially transform your financial situation even if you're a complete beginner. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Comparison. Consider these two websites. One is the actual apple.com, while the other is a clone I created. Surprisingly, both appear identical. The catch is that one is professionally developed by Apple's highly paid team, utilizing complex coding and tools. In contrast, the other equally impressive was crafted by me without coding knowledge, using free tools like the Elementor drag-and-drop page builder on WordPress. The goal is to illustrate how attainable it is to build websites without coding skills, making it accessible to anyone. Website hosting. First crucial step to kickstart your journey into web development is securing reliable website hosting. Without a hosting service, building websites for clients, which is the key to reaching the lucrative income of over $80,000 per year, becomes impossible. Drawing from my own experience, where I made precisely that amount in my initial year of web development, I can assure you that this potential is very achievable. Now, the hosting market offers numerous choices, but my go-to option is Hostinger. This provider stands out for its super affordable pricing, requiring only $3 per month. To initiate your web development venture, you can follow the link in the description below this video or click on the pinned comment directing you to the specified page. Once there, click on the Claim Deal button to access the pricing table with 3 different options. While the $2 per month option may catch your eye, I strongly advise against it, and here's why. As you embark on building websites for multiple clients simultaneously, this basic tier limits you to hosting just one website on your server. Given the nature of web development projects, where you might handle 10 to 20 different clients concurrently, having only one website capacity is impractical. Therefore, it's wise to opt for, at the very least, the middle pricing option, which allows hosting for up to 100 websites. Click the Add to Cart button and proceed with the checkout process. In the section labeled Choose a Period, you can select the duration, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Opting for a more extended plan upfront translates to significant cost savings. Your initial investment in hosting is a small price compared to the substantial potential returns, with your first web development project likely covering this cost 50 times over. Hostinger also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing a risk-free trial period. If you're unsatisfied with the first 30 days, you can request a full refund. Once you've completed the sign-up process and landed on your Hostinger hosting account dashboard, you're ready to proceed to the next steps in building and expanding your web development business. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Creating a portfolio website. Creating your portfolio website is the crucial first step to kickstart your web development journey. Think of it as your digital business card, showcasing your skills and expertise to potential clients. This video will guide you through the process of setting up your portfolio website using WordPress and Elementor, a user-friendly drag-and-drop page builder. Access your hosting dashboard. Log into your hosting account dashboard, Hostinger in this example. Click on Set up your premium website hosting. Create a new website. Click Start Now and then Create a new website. Choose the WordPress option. Name your website. If you're on the middle pricing tier or higher, claim a free domain name. Enter a name for your website, preferably your personal name for a portfolio site. Click Continue and then Finish Setup. Access your website dashboard. Click on Edit your website to enter the back end of your website. Building your portfolio website with Elementor. Install necessary plugins. Go to Appearance, Themes, and install the free Hello Elementor theme. Install 2 plugins, Elementor and Envato Elements. Import a template. Access the Elements section, click Free Template Kits, and explore different templates. Choose a template you like, example, Photography Studio, and install it. Create pages for each template. Go to Pages, add New to create pages for Home, About Us, etc. Publish each page and click Edit with Elementor. Insert template kits. Click the green icon, select your installed template kit, and insert the relevant page template. Example, Home 1. Customize content. Replace template content with your own. Update images, text, and other elements using Elementor's intuitive page builder. Personalize your portfolio. Replace template images with screenshots of websites you've built. Use free stock images from sites like unsplash.com if needed. If you lack content, utilize AI tools to generate text. Review and repeat. Go through the entire website, updating each element. Repeat the process until your portfolio looks professional and showcases your skills. Remember, Elementor Pro offers more features but is optional. You can create impressive websites without purchasing the Pro version. Your portfolio website is a dynamic tool that evolves with your experience, so feel free to refine and enhance it over time. Adding website examples. At present, your portfolio lacks actual website examples representing your web development skills. To address this, the next steps involve swiftly generating template websites that serve as demonstrative projects. Return to your hosting or account, access the Domain section, and select your designated domain name. Navigate to DNS/name servers, where you'll switch the type to CNAME, set the name field to Demo1, target it with your website's name, and click Add Record. Moving forward, go to Websites, choose Create or Migrate a Website, and opt to create a new WordPress site. During setup, select Use an existing domain and input demo1.yourwebsitename.com. This new website creation may seem puzzling, but it will soon become clear. Once installed, access the dashboard, install essential plugins, Elementor and Envato elements, and explore and install a free template kit via the Elements section. Repeat the process for adding pages, inserting templates, and updating content, including text and images. This iterative process involves creating multiple demo websites around 3 to 5 times using various template kits. The objective is to establish these websites as examples for your work, enhancing your portfolio. Capture screenshots of these demo websites and integrate them into your portfolio, presenting tangible examples to potential clients. It's crucial to understand that clients typically do not inquire about the origin of websites or whether they were built using templates. The key is to convey confidence and competence. Commence your web development side hustle as soon as you grasp the basics, learning and evolving continuously. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!